Well, guys, yep, this is what a well-organized pantry should look like as far as I'm concerned. Why don't you just step in, stay tuned, and watch me get this pantry organized. It was really a mess, but you know, with the holidays and all that stuff, you just keep shoving stuff in there till you get to a point where you don't even know what you do or don't have. So stay tuned. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to reorganize my pantry. Now I am really fortunate that I have a pretty nice sized pantry, but with the holidays and extra cooking and baking, it has gotten to be a disaster. I didn't want to have to go out and spend a bunch of money buying baskets and bins. I wanted to utilize what I had at home. So stay tuned. I even had a disastrous spill. So today on my list to tackle is my pantry. Yes, I have it in some sort of order, but I've already started taking stuff down. But I need to just really, let's say, Marie Kondo it up, spoof it up, because it really, look at that. That's disgusting, but that's what happens during the holidays. So here I go. Wish me luck. Some necessities that I had hanging around, empty baskets, and just another pile of, and dog treats and dog goodies. And so hopefully when I'm finished, it will look much better. And I'm just so blessed to have a pantry I can walk into. Unfortunately, I don't have solid shelving in my pantry, but that's okay. I have these wire racks, and what I did is I utilized plastic chopping boards. I get them at the Dollar Tree, 2 for $1, and I line the shelving with it. They're durable, they're strong, they hold the cans straight and even, and it's really worked out well. Here I've started to empty the shelves out. I thought at first that I was just going to go ahead and take everything out, and then I decided no, that would be just way too overwhelming. So I started putting like things together and moving some of the objects around. And lo and behold, of course, a disaster. One of my plastic little bins that had semolina flour, which is a type of flour you use for making pasta, just came crashing down and spilled all over everything. It was such a major mess and took a long time for me to get it cleaned up, but I did, and I will replace the little bin that I used for that semolina flour. And this is what happens when the pantry starts to get so cluttered. You can't see what you have, and you just start piling things on top of each other. And this is the work in progress. I'm starting to, like I said, sort through cans and putting like things together. It just made it that much easier for me to see. And look at here, my turntables. I can actually turn them and I can see everything that I have on them. And I left the top shelf full of all my baking goods in baskets and bins. Easy to see, easy to pull down, and it really looks nice. I like to use hanging baskets wherever I can, and here you can't really see it, but in that basket I have my folded up plastic baggies, and I do use glass canisters for sugar, flour. I have no problems with it. It's a really great storage container. And I'm continuing on with just grouping my dry cereals together, and I have everything labeled so it's easy access. And look how nice my pasta basket looks now, and I can see what's in it. I'm continuing on moving things together, snack basket, all my cereals grouped together, and I'm short 1 cereal bin, so that is on my list to purchase. And here I have hanging on an S-hook that red-handled grabber. It's so that if I have to get something from the upper bins, I can easily access it. And now I'm just looking at all of the shelving, and it's in order, and it looks so nice, and it feels so good, and it really, truly is true. It brings so much joy to know that it's a task done, accomplished, and it just looks orderly. I love it. Actually, the before pictures look pretty gnarly. The disaster just caused a delay in the progress of getting it finished, but I got it done. Everything got vacuumed out especially well, because that semolina flour is awful when it just flies everywhere. And it's orderly, and I really only have to replace 2 containers, and so I kept the cost down to almost next to nothing, and my pantry is operational and looks great, and I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I sure would like to hear some of your storage tips in your pantry. So until next time, be kind, be humble, age gracefully, and have a great day. Bye.